Good morning, students. Today we will do comparing quantities exercise 8.3. In this exercise, we will start question number 9. Find the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years in each case. Okay. So here we will find amount. So first we will learn about what is simple interest. So see, when we have to find simple interest. So the formula is P into R into T upon 100, where SI is equal to simple interest. P is equal to principal and R is equal to rate of interest. And this T is equal to time. Okay, so when we have to find simple interest means which money we have deposit in bank, suppose, and bank is given 8%, suppose 8% of rate of interest, and we have fixed our money, deposit our money for 1 year. Okay, so we will find simple interest is equal to P into R into T by 100. Here we have taken 8% is rate of interest, T is equal to 1 year, and P is equal to our money is suppose 2000 rupees. We will put in place of P 2000 into 8 into 1 upon 100. By this method we can find simple interest. Suppose we have to find rate of interest and P is given, T is given, and SI is given. We can find this. Suppose we have to find R. So rate is equal to SI into 100 divided by P into T. And we have to find suppose time. Time is equal to also SI into 100 divided by P into R. Okay. Suppose we have to find P. Time is given SI into 100 divided by T into R. By this formula we can make these formulas. So here in question number 9, find the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years in each case. So we will write what is given in this question. In this question given P is equal to this, R is equal to this, and T is equal to this. We have to find SI is equal to question mark. So SI is equal to P into R into T by 100. Here we will put 1200 into 12. This when we cancel it, we got 144 into 3. And when we multiply this, 3 4 ja 12 and 1 13, 3 1 ja 3 and 1 4. 432 rupees SI. Here SI is equal to 432 rupees, and we have to find amount. Amount is equal to principal plus SI, and what is the principal given here? 1200 rupees plus rupees 432, and when we add this we got answer 23. This rupees is equal to amount. Right answer is rupees 1632. This is the answer. Okay, so come to next question. See, next question what is given? What rate gives rupees 280 at interest on a sum of rupees 56,000 in 2 years? Here what is given? See, P is equal to rupees 56,000, T is equal to 2 years, and R is equal to not R, this is SI, simple interest. Sorry, simple interest is given rupees 280, and R we have to find. Okay, simple interest is equal to P into R into T by 100. Here in place of simple interest we have written 280. This is principal. R is not given. In place of R we put R into 200, and R is equal to, this is transfer here, and we will calculate it. It is 1 by 4%, and when we solve it, it is 0.25%. 1 by 4, when we convert into it is multiplied by 25, and we will put after 2-digit decimal, and it is 0.25%. Here in next question, what is given here? Again, simple interest is given, R is given here, T is given here. We have to find principal. What sum of money we have to find? So see here, SI is equal to, again we will use this same formula. In place of SI we will put 45 P into R into T, which is given we will put, and which is not given, take it as it is. And now when we solve it, the rupees 500 is the money. Okay, so by this method we have solved these type of questions of simple interest, and you complete this exercise. And today I will give you revision of simple equation also, chapter 4. So you do preparation for test. It will start last week of October. Okay, we will give you timetables soon. Good day.